hazard reported ahead. Outer space is full of all kinds of surprises.
Yeah. There we are on the road again. We're just getting started with our day on the road. Developing our Kuna driver program. And here we're at the entrance to the I-4 for the 192 traffic. And as you can see, this is always a tie-up here mostly. Like 95% of the time, you're going to have a traffic jam here. And again, it's like everybody wants to jam up on the right side. It's an exit and an entry point. And they don't want to give people a chance to get in. So, again, I'm leaving a lot of space. Some people don't take that space because they want to still go ahead. That's a lot of things you guys do. You want to go all the way up to the front, and then jamming in there, and you're holding up the traffic. Why do you want to do that? Because you're trying to avoid traffic, and then instead of getting in, you are causing the traffic that you don't like. See that guy went all the way up there just to go 2 or 3 cars ahead, and he's the one that's going to cause the traffic to tie up. No sense. No sense at all. And this is what you guys on the road do all the time. You continue to do the same thing and keep the traffic, like you want to huele el fundillo, as I always say, which is sniffing the rear end for everybody. You see all these cars here, all tight butt to butt, from nose to butt here. Why? Give some space. Let people have some options. Somebody may be going the wrong way. They went on this side thinking that it's still the I-4 and it's actually going out. So then they need to come back in. So that is something that you guys need to be, allow people to move. See, this guy went from the left lane now to the right. Now, I don't know why he was doing on the left lane if he's planning to go out. It's the only reason to go to the right. But that's the other thing I wanted to talk about, because a lot of times you guys go onto the right lane and you're not planning to leave. You just see that the right lane is just a little bit. As long as there's like a car length ahead of where you're at on the left lane, of course you want to come in and fill like that empty spot. You can't have a void. It seems like it disturbs you guys to allow a one lane to be moving ahead and you're on still on the left lane, and you see the right lane is moving farther ahead of you. You know why the right lane is moving farther ahead of you guys? Because there's an exit coming up. But then again, there's an entry point like here, and this red car, like that was in front here, wouldn't want to let anyone go in front of him because, of course, he has to be there first. Again, you guys cause your own traffic woes. The traffic you're trying to avoid is the traffic you and people like yourself are causing. This is why there is this traffic that you're trying to avoid. It's because of people like you. If you would just stop, let people in and out of the highway. If you're going to go in the right lane, give some breathing room. And if you don't want that, then stay on the left. Stay on the left lane, for goodness sakes. You're not going to leave here till the next city down. Why are you going on the right lane for? And then you don't give space for people to come in and come out. Here's a guy coming up to the front, and I have space open, but he doesn't. Let's see. Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead? See? He doesn't want to go in until he has no other choice. Because, again, he wants the fun of causing more traffic. That's the idea, I think. I think you guys just want to cause traffic. And in your mind, you're saying, I'm trying to avoid traffic, and actually you are the cause of the trouble. Take care. It's just too much.